Hello, everybody.
This is Mac Chief Founder and Chief Evangelist of Unlurn. This screencast is an introduction to Unlurn where I will talk a little about what we do here. First of all, we are living at an exciting time where people who think and has their grey matter intact are bound to capitalize the unprecedented growth in the computer science and technology. Technology is growing at an exponential rate where everything is going to be disrupted sooner than you think, and the education that we have is probably already obsolete. So, what do? We need to update and teach ourselves, and that's exactly what we do at Unlearn. It provides you step by step information of how to learn about the changes that are imminent, and at the same time, it provides a way to do that. But how? How do we do that? Here we go. This is what you will find when you browse Unlearn. The moment you get into the website, you will first of all find about what we do at Unlearn. So that's it, about Unlearn. Our mission is to provide information related to the technological disruptions we are bound to face, along with necessary information to cope up with the challenge of being relevant in this ever-changing world. After months of research and brainstorming, we have figured out the key components that are necessary for any beginner to have enough understanding of the disruptions, which are going to have massive social consequences. And these disruptions are actually coming from big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So it becomes very much important for every one of us to understand at least the basics of what exactly big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence is all about. The key components are as follows. First of all, we will talk about decoding disruptions. Data science and artificial intelligence are at an inflection point. That is, it's growing exponentially and is bound to have massive social disruptions. Approximately 50% of the jobs, that is 1 in every 2, is going to be replaced by computers in the next 2 decades. And the sectors such as manufacturing, retail, banking, accounting, journalism, logistics, real estates, call centers, marketing and sales are going to be totally disrupted. In the year 2009, Martin Ford, in his book The Lights in the Tunnel, painted a picture of increasingly automated economy where lots of jobs are replaced by machines and very few new jobs are being created. In the year 2011, two MIT economists in their book Race Against Machine have pretty much said the same. To have a perspective, let's try and figure out what big organizations are doing. Foxconn, a multinational corporation worth $132 billion, which employs 1.3 million people. Yes, they are of $132 billion and they employ 1.3 million people. And what they are doing? They are automating everything possible and are about to deploy an army of 1 million robots to cut the rising labor expenses and improve efficiency. Canon is doing the same thing by going fully automated as soon as possible. This massive social disruption is bound to happen as Google has invested more than £400 million on a British artificial intelligence firm called DeepMind, which recently defeated the world's best Go player. Amazon, IBM Watson, of course, are also investing aggressively on the artificial intelligence and data sciences. Also, integration of AI will displace more jobs than they create, and the demand for the analytics, big data, engineering, and design will be more than the supply. Of course, in the recent future. Clearly, a strategic plan is needed in order to efficiently prepare the young generation for the future, as AI's impact will be global, and education will be the key point in assuring a safe future according to the majority of experts. Now the question is, will our education be able to save us from the disruption? What kind of education is required and how our current model of education is already obsolete? Artificial intelligence is humankind's most exciting, fruitful, intriguing, and dangerous endeavor ever. And on this note, we would like to welcome every one of you to be a part of the roller coaster ride along with millions of others. Be future proof. Feel free to subscribe and browse Unlearn to more about the disruptions and big data. Thank you very much, everybody. I hope to see you on the other side. I welcome every one of you to unlearn.com.